everyone, I'm Jacky YBT, tag away, tag everything. And today we're gonna unbox this bad boy, the Pineng 20,000 mAh power bank. So let's do it right now. So here is the Pineng, actually called Pineng in Mandarin. In English is Pineng, not Pineng, Pineng. So this is the 20,000 mAh version and the model called PN920. It comes with black and white, and this one is the black model with the LCD display on it, with two output ports, the 1A and the 2.1A. Fast charging, which is the 2.1A only. The 1A is the low voltage one, will be slower, safe, and LCD. And another side is just the logo, Pineng. So another side, power bank, nothing. And on the back, you can see the product instruction. This is a portable power bank and mainly used for charging digital equipment, yada yada. You can read it by yourself. And some company information. The headquarters is at Hong Kong. This QR code is for you to check whether your power bank is real or not. They call it anti-fake. So you use your coin and then you scratch it off to reveal the QR code, and then you can check it through your phone camera, and then you can see whether it's real or not. They will lead you to their website. And another QR code for this is their website. You can check out with using this QR code. And this is the courier service, they tap you on it one. So nothing. So we're gonna open it right now. Just open from the front. No cutter required. Just open and then drag it off. So this is what you get straight out of the box, which is the power bank itself, micro USB cable, and the instruction guide, operation guide they call it. So let's get rid of this first. So operation, just to show you how to use this stuff, and only that. The second one, the micro USB cable. Okay, gonna untie it. Okay, so this is the length of the cable. You can figure out yourself, about this long. Okay, it's just micro USB. There's no USB-C and no lightning connector for you. It's just usual micro USB cable. Okay, so this is the main stuff. Let's take a look. On the left hand side, you'll see a power button. So in order to activate this product, you press, hold it until you see the light lights up. This is the LCD display, show you the percentage of your power bank by battery. So this is the front wheel. This one is the 1A low voltage. This one is the fast charging 2.1A, and this is the torch light, and this one is for the input. These two are outputs. In order to use the torch light, you double press the power button. Double press, and in order to turn off, just one tap. When you are charging your phone or anything, you cannot use the torch light function. Okay. One tips here, when you get your new power bank, finish the remaining battery, preserve the battery life longer. Okay, so you finish it and then you recharge it until 100%. I will teach you how to charge your phone with this power bank. Press the home button once, and then you plug the included micro USB cable to the fast charging, and then you plug it to your phone. Done. And wait. So that's it. This is how you charge your phone with this power bank. So this LCD display not just show you the battery percentage, it will also show you the activity of this power bank. So right now I'm using to charge my phone, so it shows the output, and I choose 2.1A, so it will show you 2.1A. So if you charge it using the 1A, it will show you the 1A, and if you're using the input to charge this power bank, it will show you the input. So that's simple. It's quite heavy on your hand because it weighs 435 grams. So it's quite heavy. The thickness is 22 millimeter. It's pretty thick. The color is black and red with some texture pattern around the plastic design. And bottom, you can see a lot of information written in Mandarin. Yeah. So my first impression of this power bank is pretty good. In terms of design, I think it's normal. It's just basic design. Looks okay. It's just a bit thicker. Maybe it's 20 milliamp, the huge capacity causing them cannot make it thinner, but I believe there's a way to make it even thinner. The second, it does not support USB-C this price range. I would say the value of this thing is pretty good. 50 ringgit for 20 milliamp battery, that is cheap, you know, can't get that price anywhere else. 20,000 milliamp battery, not even Xiaomi, you know, which is very good. I'm quite happy with Pineng because I also got one for myself, the 10 milliamp battery one, power bank. Yeah, so that's about it, guys. This is my unboxing and first impression of this Pineng PN920 20,000 milliamp power bank. And remember to give a thumbs up, comment down in the comment section below, share it to your friends and family, and remember to subscribe to watch more content like this. And I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.